I just followed these directions online for making a tri-tip. It's got 5 stars, called Grill Santa Maria tri-tip recipe. So my first time trying it. Here's the end result so far. I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Made it in there. Sitting here. So we'll see how it goes in a bit. So I just made the last part, which is the basting stuff. It's this section right here. And it's a Dijon mustard, red wine, vinegar, vegetable oil, and fresh garlic. And here's the after. So we'll see in a bit. Okay, I just put the basting stuff on. It's another little secret ingredients that I found on the internet. So now I'm going to toss it on. Okay, got the temperature up to about, what does that say, 475 or so. I'm going to cook it for about 2 minutes on each side, or 1.5 minutes on each side, then go to slow cook. There it goes. Yummy, yummy. Close it. Keep the temperature in there. Dropped a little bit. Might cook that dog barking in the background too pretty soon. Just flipped it over right now. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So now I'm going to lower the flame a little bit to about almost low. And we're going to cook for another 30 minutes or so. Secret herbs and spices right here. Guess this kind of keeps it moist, juicy, yum yum. Oh, sparky. Let it sit there for a couple more minutes and we'll flip it and do the same thing again. Okay, I just pulled out the grill. This is about 33 minutes on about a little bit more than low. Not too bad, not too shabby. Looks pretty good, huh? Not too shabby. Here's some little remnants of some of the spices I just ate. Not too shabby.